What's up, y'all? So today I'm just doing a quick little wash and go video because, as you can tell, my hair really needed some TLC, like really bad. So I'm just gonna go wash my hair, and I'll have all the products listed down below. So as you can see, I washed my hair, and in the shower I used a dampening brush to detangle and then put it in 2 chunky twists. So I just want to say real quick also, I switched from using my phone to my camera, so the lighting is off, so please bear with me with that. But I'm just using the products, again, will be listed down below, and I'm just going to rake these products through my hair. I haven't used a brush or anything since I've gotten out of the shower. So the key to my perfect wash and go is lots and lots of scrunching. You'll see me do that a lot in this video. So make sure to reapply products as needed. I'm trying not to be as heavy-handed, but it's kind of hard. And then I'm going to do the other side of my hair. And that right now you can see me, I'm just going through and doing some finger coils, and some parts need some help. So I actually learned recently that just sitting with your hair wet isn't healthy for your scalp. So I'm using a microfiber towel and scrunching to dry it out. So this is my hair after like a few, not even a few, probably like 2 hours of air drying. And up in here, it's still really wet. The ends are like a little bit damp still, and it's like, I feel like I look like Jared Leto because it's just like, so I'm gonna wait for it to dry a little bit more. I use a dampening brush to detangle in the shower, but when I apply the products, I did not use a dampening brush just because I want to see like how it looks, which I know the dampening brush makes my texture, but it's the best tool for me to use to detangle my hair. And there's always like one piece, I don't know where it went, I always end up with like one piece of like frizzy hair that just doesn't want to fall off. Yeah, I probably need to trim soon now, but so I'll come back in a couple hours. And so now it's nighttime, if you can't tell by the big old green light. But yeah, my hair is completely dry now. Haven't put oil in it yet. I'll probably wait until the morning because I don't want to get oil over my pillows. I'm about to go to sleep. I'm really not mad at it. Usually I'm like, I do feel like the dampening brush helped in the shower, but I usually use it afterwards as well, and it gives you that nice like clumped, really defined curl. I know my hair was heat damaged. I'll probably insert like a clip or a video or something. Yeah, dampening brush helped me a lot. Oh, and I was talking about that one like frizzy piece. It's like right here. I keep looking in the mirror over here, and it feels really soft, like it doesn't even feel crunchy, and it doesn't feel super weighed down, because I feel like sometimes maybe I use like too much product or too thick of a product, so my hair doesn't feel weighed down at all. Come here, stop, come here. Oh, anyway, but yeah. And I'm also filming on my camera instead of my phone. I have been filming on my phone because it's so much easier, but I'm trying to switch to my camera so I get better quality. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Videos every single Tuesday. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This is my hair inspiration. Say cheese.